Hi. So this isn't. I don't think this is like a great eureka moment for the world of harmonica, but for anyone following me, right, I'm not a teacher. I just share my journey. Right. So there was a comment on modern blues harmonica in the group about overblows. So they're debating, if you draw bend on a C and then blow, draw bend, hold the bend and blow, then you'll get an overblow. Well, I've said this before on my videos. Just getting a bend on a 6. Like I now on Dave Barrett's Temperature, a song called Temperature, there's a bend on the 6. But that's on an A harp. So when I was trying this on a C, so this is Zodel Classic. There's a C. What I was doing, so I'm talking draw bend on a 6, right? So tongue blocking. So trying to apply my normal bend, something ain't quite working. I got a bending app here. I bet it's called Bend Trainer, right? I use that method. I don't like the one where the line's going all the way up and down, all these numbers and things. I don't understand it. I just look at this. You draw a note and the line goes down from that's upside down, isn't it? No? Oh, it's because it's on the wrong key. Right, that's on a G. Anyway, right, there, I'll show you. Right, there's a G. See that line go from hole 4? Anyway, that's the point. Right, so with the C harmonica, I basically struggle to get a... It might help if I actually add a 6 bend in a song. Might help. I've actually got a method, right? This is a G harmonica. Just to show quick, right? So what I did on this was a 4 draw bend. What I'm doing here is going from 4 half step bend over to a 6, and I'm holding the position and then going over to the 6. That's if I can hit the hole. No. Yeah, so that's more like it, but I think, so again, this isn't like a eureka moment. I'm sure people got other videos on it, but just in case you sort of follow me, or just in case you find this as well as others, that's why I make these videos. So on a G harmonica, so get the bending app, put it onto G, hole 4 bend. See, that hit a 6 bend straight away. The reason being is because a G harmonica is more graceful. The reeds are longer, which means you've sort of got more... I'm just painting a picture. This isn't technical. It just means there's sort of more grace. There's more space to move in. That, there's more room for mistakes. So there's your G harmonica. You've got all this space. Yeah. Then you got an A, there's more space. Then you got a C, there's less space for grace. Yeah. Whole 4 bend. Now this ain't exact, as in like like the guy on Modern Blues Harmonica was categorically saying, if you do this and then do that, you will get this. Well, that don't always work for everyone, because everybody's slightly different. And because, so what he's saying is, if you do it on a D harp and then do it on a C, 100% get it. 100% it'll work, right? And others have gone, well, I did that on a C harp and it just worked. Yeah, that's the thing with these bending things. There's no precise 100%. If you do, then you will. No, not for everyone. That's the thing, not for everyone. See, I'm not even hitting hole 6 properly for some reason. Yeah, there. You need clean single notes to do any bending. See? So now what I'm doing is going from bend on 4, holding, and then going 6. Now I'm doing unbend, bend, unbend, bend, unbend, bend. So all I'm trying to say is, if you're wrestling with the bend on the 6 with a C harmonica, then just give it a go on the G. I'm tongue blocking, by the way, which when you're tongue blocking, right, when you're puckering, your tongue is more sort of agile. I think that's the right word, right? It's more freer. Yeah. When you're tongue blocking, your tongue becomes more sort of relaxed, more sort of spread out, because you're putting it across so many holes, and you've got a bigger mass to move, I guess, and so we're used to sort of like, I don't know, pushing food around our mouths with our tongues, so it's almost bigger movement sort of thing. But what we're doing with tongue blocking is we're learning to train only certain parts of the tongue, I think. So with someone who puckers, they can move the whole tongue, yeah. But with the tongue blocker, your tongue stays there, and you're learning to just only move certain parts, or to hump, or to dip, or to, yeah, certain parts, and that's the difference. So G harmonica or an A, I haven't got one here right now, hole 4. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because, right, say you can bend on hole 4, and I'm not sort of saying necessarily, oh, you've only just learned to bend hole 4, oh, now start going for 6. And I'm not sort of saying that. There would be a method that most people would try to teach. I'm not teaching, but most people would try and learn a certain path where they would get, certain bends, like the 2 draw half step bend, the 3 draw half step bend, and the 4 and the 1, so that there's, and find some songs to play in and stuff like that. And that's why for me, I can go hole 4 straight away. I haven't got to try in that I'm not sort of going, oh, where should I put my tongue? No, my tongue is already like whole four on. Let's try a 6 draw. I'm not even going to bother trying. I did just try it, and I tried earlier, and what's happening is I'm getting this dry mouth, and so to give myself some grace, what I need to do is maybe go find the right stages. G, A, D, 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 B, maybe B flat or something, and then go to C. I don't know. I need to work out what's the right sort of stage, you know. And then on the C, it will be a lot easier for me. Like I don't know whether people, I don't know whether it's normal to play a song on a C with, but surely it is, because certain people used an F with bends and overblows and stuff like that. People used D's with bends and overblows. So I'm sure. There you go. But yeah. I don't think I'm changing much there between 4 draw and 6 draw. I might be gripping it a bit tighter with my jaw. Almost like you imagine down here there's steps, and up here there's less steps. So yeah, but no, probably not. Like on this bending up, I wonder whether it's a jaw bend. Below the 7, there's like some more notes. There you go. So it's not a eureka moment for the world of harmonica, but it might sort of just sort of like tease the curiosity of the 6 draw bend.